Are you tired all the time, no matter how much sleep you get? Do you feel foggy, forgetful, or even a little off balance? It might not be stress, aging, or just life. It could be a silent vitamin B12 deficiency, and millions of people in the US are walking around with it right now, completely unaware. Today, we're exposing the early signs, the root causes, and what to do before it turns serious. Let's get into it. What is vitamin B12 and why does it matter? Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is essential for nerve function, DNA production, red blood cell formation, and brain health. Unlike other vitamins, B12 isn't made in your body. You have to get it from food or supplements. But here's the twist. Even if you eat healthy, your body might not absorb it properly, especially as you age. Who's most at risk for deficiency? People over 50, vegetarians and vegans, people on acid-reducing meds like omeprazole, diabetics taking metformin, anyone with gut issues like Crohn's, celiac, or IBS. If you're in one of these groups, your B12 levels might already be low. The silent symptoms you shouldn't ignore. 1. Constant fatigue. 2. Tingling or numbness in hands and feet. 3. Memory issues or brain fog. 4. Mood swings or depression. 5. Dizziness or lightheadedness. 6. Pale skin or shortness of breath. These symptoms often creep in slowly and mimic other issues. But left untreated, B12 deficiency can cause permanent nerve damage. Best food sources of vitamin B12. Here's the good news. B12 is abundant in animal-based foods. Beef liver, one of the highest sources. Clams and sardines. Eggs, dairy, especially milk and yogurt. Chicken and turkey. But if you're plant-based or over 50, you'll probably need a supplement. How to supplement smartly. There are different forms of B12, and not all are equal. Cyanocobalamin, most common. Methylcobalamin, more bioavailable and active. Sublingual tablets, under your tongue, work better than capsules for many. For severe cases, B12 shots or high-dose supplements may be required. Always test before megadosing. Talk to your doctor and check levels with a simple blood test. B12's connection to mood, focus, and longevity. Studies link low B12 to Alzheimer's disease, anxiety and depression, dementia, slower reaction times, fatigue-related car accidents. Getting your B12 levels right doesn't just help you feel better now. It could protect your brain for years to come. What to do now? Step 1. Get tested. Step 2. Add B12-rich foods. Step 3. Supplement if needed. Step 4. Recheck levels every 6 to 12 months. Pro tip. Take B12 in the morning. It can give a noticeable energy boost. You deserve to feel clear-headed, focused, and energized. Don't let a sneaky nutrient deficiency steal your vitality. Let us know, Gio. Do you have any of these symptoms? Hit subscribe. We've got daily videos that help you unlock the healthiest version of you.